Today's video could literally be the beginning of your online income journey. This book breaks down the simplest, most practical roadmap to earning your first $100 online, even if you have zero skills, zero experience, and zero idea where to start. Before we get into the summary, make sure you subscribe because this video is packed with steps you can apply today to start making your first dollar online. Let's go. Target, paragraph 1. The one principle that changes everything. Making money online isn't about luck. It starts with finding a real need and offering something that solves a problem. And you don't need a complicated business. The book shows that a simple website with a clear purpose can be enough to launch your first $100. Target, paragraph 2. What you actually need to start. Forget expensive tools. All you really need is a basic website or landing page, a hosting account, a bank or PayPal account, and one useful idea that helps someone. Everything else is optional. Starting small keeps you focused on what matters. Value. Target, paragraph 3. Why people pay you. People pay for saving time, making life easier, learning something faster, or solving a problem they don't know how to solve. Once you understand this, making money online becomes much simpler. Target, paragraph 4. 2 main ways to make your first $100. The book breaks income down into 2 simple paths. 1. Trading your time for money. Offer a service. Writing, editing, simple web design, social media help, virtual assistants. All you need is a basic skill and a client with a need. 2. Using online assets that generate income. These are the things that make money even when you're not actively working. Website traffic, email lists, affiliate offers, digital content, automated tools. The book explains that real growth happens when you build assets, not just services. Target, paragraph 5. Why a website matters. A website is more than a page. It's your storefront, your credibility, your personal platform. Even a simple site with a clear message, a helpful offer, and a contact button can bring in your first clients or affiliate sales. Target, paragraph 6. The most valuable asset, your email list. One subscriber is more powerful than 10 random visitors. An email list lets you build trust, recommend helpful tools, promote your services, and make affiliate income consistently. If you want predictable income, start building this list from day 1. Target, paragraph 7. A simple strategy to earn your first $100. Here's the book's suggested path. Choose one small problem people need solved, build a simple website offering that solution, share helpful content or tips, collect emails or offer a free resource, add an affiliate link or a small paid service. Promote your site in communities, groups, or forums. You don't need perfection, you just need to start. Target, paragraph 8. Your first $100 leads to everything else. Once you make that first $100, something changes. You understand the system, you realize you can repeat it, and more importantly, you gain confidence to scale into $500, $1,000, and beyond. If you want more summaries that give you practical steps to build a real income online, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Your first $100 is just the beginning. Question of the day. What skill or idea do you think you can use to make your first $100 online? Tell me in the comments. I'll reply to help you shape it. If you like, I can also create a shorts script from this, make a thumbnail text idea, write your video description and tags. Just tell me.